so we'll go lights.
Yeah, so
ignition.
pitot static ignitions are on.
Did I leave that pitot static on?
No, I just turned it on.
Okay.
Recog is on.
All right, recog.
And landing lights.
And anti-collision.
Oh.
Yep.
Got it.
There we go. Landing lights. All right. Kerrville traffic, Citation 409 Sierra Tango's departing runway 30, be a right turnout to the northeast, Kerrville.
So 30, I'm going to bug 30.
All right. Go around bars are up.
Yes, they are.
And we're looking for 97.3. Fuel is balanced.
I see it.
Instruments are green.
And coming up.
All right. All right, I see power's coming up, power set. Airspeed is coming alive 1, 2 times. V1, rotate.
Jumps off.
Yeah, positive rate.
Gear up.
All right, yaw
off. Yaw
dampener is engaged.
Excellent.
Altitude and direct. Activate nav.
400 feet.
Flaps are going up. There you are, sir. And I'll call Depacha.
Okay.
Kerrville traffic, 409 Sierra Tango departing the area, Kerrville. Good morning, Houston, Citation 409 Sierra Tango.
November 409 Sierra Tango, Houston Center, you number 1 ready to go?
Negative 409 Sierra Tango, we're off Kerrville, VFR. I'd like to pick our IFR up to Papa Whiskey Golf.
November 409 Sierra Tango, roger, squawk 2544.
2544.
November 0 Bravo Hotel, to direct ULAR, that's Yankee, Uniform, Lima Alpha Romeo, YULAR, direct Sulphur Springs.
How about we keep going?
Sounds good to me.
November 409 Sierra Tango, ready to contact 3 miles north of Kerrville, say altitude leaving.
409 Sierra Tango is 4.9 for higher.
November 9 Sierra Tango, clear the Papa Whiskey Golf Airport via direct, little direct, climb and maintain 3000, San Antonio altimeter 3003.
3003, direct, little direct, climb maintain 13,000. We're out of 5-7 for 13,000, 9 Sierra Tango.
Okay, ignition's off. Okay, cool. Easy button is on.
I see the easy button is on.
Armed capture.
November 734 Echo Victor, Houston Center, also on altimeter 3002.
All right.
November 894 Foxtrot Echo, contact
Well, yeah, thanks for your help.
19.0.
Thanks for the invite.
That was that's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it was a lot of stuff, but it was a very good time.
Well, I would have not enjoyed it as much by myself. Let's see, what's today's date?
Today is 25th, 8/25.
8/25.
Well, you wouldn't have enjoyed it as much by yourself, and I wouldn't have enjoyed just sitting in my apartment all morning, so.
There you go.
I say that's a win-win.
November 0 Bravo Hotel, amend your altitude, come and maintain 15,000. Southwest 2969, descend and maintain 16,000, Austin altimeter 3002.
one to go. Hard. Start rolling it down some. And it's catching it aggressively. There we go.
Southwest 2969, descend via the Lake 3 arrival, landing north. November 9 Sierra Tango, change to my frequency 134.2.
34-2, 9 Sierra Tango. (409) Sierra Tango is 34-2.
November 9 Sierra Tango, thanks. November 0 Bravo Hotel, climb and maintain 17,000.
Under 17,000, 0 Bravo Hotel.
Cool. There's a turn. Perfect.
Now, VNAV on this airplane,
I don't believe it works.
no. Should be just a nav, and I guess you'd have to vertical speed it to match your glide slope.
November 8125 Alpha Radar, contact
Probably
8 miles
so.
northeast of Toledo at 2,900, ground altimeter 3003.
Your glide path.
003, 25 Alpha, thanks.
Or I'll hand fly it like the real pilot I am.
There you go. Smoother than the autopilot.
November 409 Sierra Tango, contact the Waco approach 126.12.
Waco approach 2612, 9 Sierra Tango.
There it is.
Thank you. Waco approach, Citation 409 Sierra Tango with you, RNAV runway 35 McGregor, weather NOTAMs.
Station 50, correction 409 Sierra Tango, Waco approach, legal altimeter 3004, maintain 4,000 until established on the final approach course, cleared RNAV 35 approach, McGregor Airport.
Okay, maintain 4,000 until established, cleared for the RNAV in 35 in McGregor, and I've got the field in sight. If there's no traffic, we can go ahead and cancel IFR at this time.
Citation 9 Sierra Tango, IFR cancellation received, remain on the squawk and this frequency for now.
Okay, we'll carry the squawk and the frequency for now, 409 Sierra Tango.
All right, so 4,000, but we're established, so I'm going to put in 32.
There you go.
4,500.
I'd run it all the way down if you want to.
Juliet Kilo,
Yeah,
turn left
fair
heading 100, descend and maintain 3,000.
Yeah, I suppose.
100, 3,000.
All right. We're looking for, let's go 104, 114.
Juliet,
Okay,
inbound to Waco Regional.
104, 114, got it.
104,
3921 Lima,
There
contact
you go.
tower 119.3. November 3921
All right,
Lima,
flaps one.
contact tower 119.3.
Contact
Good.
tower
Yes, sir.
119.3, 3921 Lima.
Technum 509er uniform, will this be a full stop?
There you go.
do some paddle work, 509 uniform.
Uh, 3000, autopilot off,
All right.
the yaw damper on, I'll fly the rest of it.
Waco 90 Tango, still on us with you.
Station 90 Tango, change to advisory, frequency approved. Have a good day.
Okay, over to advisory 90 Tango, and confirm we are canceled on the IFR.
Station 90 Tango, affirmative.
Thank you. So long.
Roger 7, Julie.
McGregor traffic, citation 4090 Tango's 3 mile final, runway 35, McGregor.
Cleveland traffic, Cherokee 9066.
Yeah, sir.
RNF 133, full fast, Cleveland.
Go ahead and go gear down.
All right. No green, no red.
I see it.
33, stop and go, Cleveland.
Stay with Cherokee 33, Juliet Charlie, short final for 33, Cleveland.
Cleveland traffic, Cessna 17410, Sierra, 5 mile final for 15. We'll be doing an approach in a circle for 33, Cleveland.
McGregor traffic, Skyhawk 5836 Alpha, 3 miles northeast, inbound, northwest, inbound for left downwind 35 on the 45, McGregor.
McGregor
traffic, lights
Yes,
there,
please.
831 X-ray is taxi to Active 35 from the FBO. McGregor traffic.
McGregor traffic, citation 4090 Tango, short final 35.
Burning traffic, Skyhawk 172, Charlie Hotel, in the downwind.
A little bit slow.
Yeah,
That's better.
thought we were going to stop.
Cleveland traffic, Cessna 17410, we'll be turning to the east for the right downwind to circle for 33, Cleveland.
All right.
Yeah,
Cleveland
so
we're all
traffic,
damn
Cherokee
slow.
9062 Kilo, 4 miles on final runway 33, RNF 33, full stop, Cleveland. McGregor traffic, Skyhawk 5836 Alpha, entering left downwind 35, McGregor.
Oh, we could have put you down on Ford today.
Could have. Little high. Not bad.
All right, you're out. You've got 2 deploying.
Oops, sorry.
They're good.
Maybe Bravo?
No.
Not worth it. Where's the idle on these things? All right, there we go. All right, flaps back, take off and approach.
All right. Speed brake is retracted.
Reversers are back in.
TRs are there. Veto static when you can. Keep those from burning.
It's off.
Thank you.
All right, turn on the line.
McGregor traffic 4090 Tango is clear of runway 35.